Hello, this is John from caveofprogramming.com, and in this tutorial I want to show you how to access maps in expression language. So let's say we've got a servlet here, where are we, here, and I'm already using this to pass some objects to a JSP page here, receiveobjects.jsp. But now let's create a normal standard Java map here. So I'll say this is going to be a map that holds strings indexed by strings, and let's copy that. Actually, I won't copy it, I'll just leave it, and I'll just call this map, and I'll set that equal to a new hash map, and I'll put the diamond operator in there, and let's add the input there. Java 7 actually allows you to miss out the parameter types on the map here. But if you're using Java 6 or older, you'll need to specify that again here, of course. Okay, now let's add just one value to this map as a demonstration. I'll say map.put, and let's put here fruit and apple, and let's add that into one of the scoped objects. So as a demonstration, I'll add it to request. I'll say request.setAttribute, and let's say let's just call it map1, and I'll put the map in there. So these are not very good names, but this is just a demonstration of passing a map. And now in the JSP that this file forwards to, I'm going to go there and I'm going to copy one of my cout statements here. And now, of course, I can access, as we've seen before, I can access this object called map1 via simply its name, because it's an attribute in the request object. And now to actually access values of that map, I can use a syntax involving square brackets like this. Actually, I can't type square brackets easily in my Eclipse because it runs some shortcut, and I've got a Hungarian keyboard here which conflicts with Eclipse shortcuts. But let's paste this in here, and I'm just gonna let's close the expression attribute here, and I'm going to put single quotes around this because I need to use double quotes to access my value within the expression language. And now to access values of this map, so you use these square brackets, and if I type the attribute name there, so I had a sorry, not the attribute, the value, the key value. So my map has a key called fruit, and the value I set to apple, and I can access it like this. So the upshot is to access the values of maps in expression language, you just need the name of the map and square brackets, and then the key in here, which could even be a number. And let's now run this just to see that it works. And when it runs, we will see hopefully that we've got now apple there. So in my passObject servlet, I just set a map. It's just a normal map from the Java Collections framework, and I gave it the name map1, and I put a key fruit with the name apple, and then in here in my JSTL, so I can access this via its name because it's a request scope, and we've seen before that this works. But then the twist is that to access the value of the map, I use square brackets like that. So that's it for this tutorial, and until next time, happy coding.